the Moto G57 Power and the Moto G67 Power. Which device is going to be better when it comes to hardware specs, gaming performance, daily usage, as well as benchmarking test score results? Let's find out. But before we start, if you're new to this channel, then do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. So in this video, we are going to do a benchmarking test comparison between these two smartphones to see how much difference we are going to get in terms of performance. So these are the benchmarking applications we got today here on our devices. So first of all, let's start with AnTuTu Benchmark. So Moto G57 Power scored 581,486 and the Moto G67 Power scored 629,521. So as you can see, the winner is Moto G67 Power. It is scoring nearly 10% more points compared to Moto G57 Power. If we go to the individual test score results, here you can compare the result of CPU, GPU, memory and UX, and as you can see, in GPU, memory and UX, performance of Moto G67 Power is better, and when it comes to CPU, performance of Moto G57 Power is better. But our concern is the overall score, and in that the winner is Moto G67 Power. So now if you go back from here to the next test, and that's Geekbench 6. This test is divided in two parts, CPU and GPU, and the CPU test is divided in single core and multi-core. So in single core, both of these devices, they scored exactly same point, that's 1016, and when it comes to multi-core performance, Moto G57 Power scored 2963 and Moto G67 Power scored 2981. So the difference is minute because the single core score is exactly same, and the only difference is in multi-core, and that's also pretty low. But still, in terms of numbers, performance of Moto G67 Power is better. Now if you go to the GPU test, in this, the Moto G57 Power scored 1839 and Moto G67 Power scored 2094. So in this, the winner is Moto G67, and considering both CPU and GPU, you can say that once again the winner is Moto G67 Power. So let's go back from here to the last test for today, and that's 3D Mark. This is a gaming benchmarking test, so it gives the idea about the gaming capability of the device. This test is also divided in multiple parts. So if you go to Slingshot, in this, Moto G57 Power scored 6014 and Moto G67 Power scored 6504. So in Slingshot, the winner is Moto G67 Power. If you go to Slingshot Extreme, in this, G57 Power scored 4634 and G67 Power scored 4905. So in Slingshot Extreme as well, the winner is Moto G67 Power. If we go to Steel Nomad Lite, in this, G57 Power scored 280 with average 2.08 FPS, and Moto G67 Power scored 309 with 2.29 average FPS. So once again, the winner is G67 Power. Now if we go to the Wildlife Extreme, in this, G57 Power scored 785 with 4.70 average FPS, and G67 Power scored 869 with 5.21 average FPS. So in Wildlife Extreme as well, the winner is G67 Power. And if you go to Wildlife, in this, G57 Power scored 2993 with 17.92 average FPS, and G67 Power scored 3322 with 19.90 average FPS. So in all of these 5 different tests of 3D Mark, the winner is G67 Power. So in all of these 3 tests, the AnTuTu Benchmark, 3D Mark and the Geekbench 6, the winner is Moto G67 Power, as it is scoring more points compared to Moto G57 Power in all of the tests. Only in the CPU test of AnTuTu Benchmark, somehow performance of Moto G57 Power was a bit better. But as I said, our concern is the overall score, and considering that in AnTuTu Benchmark as well, the winner is G67 Power. The difference is not too much as you can see here, but still overall the performance of G67 Power is going to be a bit better compared to Moto G57 Power. So that's all for now, friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.